I think that was great. Darby, I feel that after sort of that, it will be better. Of course, it's not fans here, but when like this was good atmosphere. Good rugby. I believe that we dominated, especially first 20 minutes we dominated, but they had one chance for one goal after set piece, which was alone for 1 second, less than a second, and we scored. After that second half, we tried to attack mostly. They were defending, but after that attack, we put extra striker. We create lots of dangerous situations, but unfortunately, we scored goal. And football is always playing for goals. If we don't score goals, we cannot win. So at the end, 1-1 going back. Most important, we didn't lose, and we continue our unbeaten run. So now, next match we will try to win.
Ya, saya pikir ini adalah debut yang bagus, di mana kedua tim bisa menunjukkan performanya yang terbaik. Dan kalau saya melihat dari babak pertama dan babak kedua, kita lebih dominan dalam menguasai bola, kemudian mencoba menjaga di pertandingan dan memberikan beberapa kali peluang. Meskipun mereka punya satu peluang dari servis dengan kesempatan satu itu akhirnya berdua gol. Di babak kedua, saya mencoba menambah serangan lebih tajam lagi dengan melalui flank dan umpan-umpan terobosan ke tengah. Kemudian ketika mereka kehilangan satu pemain, tentunya kita harus menambah dari kita perjuangan kita untuk lebih banyak melakukan serangan, terutama ketika memulai dari serangan lewat flank. Saya pikir ini adalah derby yang bagus. Meskipun saya percaya bahwa melihat dari pertandingan tadi kita punya banyak peluang, tetapi dengan hasil seperti ini kita sudah cukup baik progres kita dalam pertandingan.
First of all, I would like to request our team to fight. Everyone's good game on it. And about the game, everyone knows that this is a very hot game, and we have to be more forward in the game and everyone's fighting with everyone's going to war. So our team deserves to win our some game, but we didn't. So that was thinking that a good result, our way to the game, help the team. Sports leaders is very happy to see the working about the so what do you think of everyone watching? I have to progress. I have to progress our team.
Yang pertama, saya mengucapkan selamat buat tim. Karena tentunya dengan derby ini kita harus menunjukkan bahwa kita fight, apalagi ini pertandingan di luar, pertandingan away, dan kita tahu bahwa setiap pertandingan Persija atau Persib selalu menjadi pertandingan yang panas. Kita sudah menunjukkan bahwa kita betul-betul fight sore ini. Saya pikir kita seharusnya bisa memenangkan pertandingan dengan beberapa peluang, dengan beberapa kesempatan. Tetapi dengan hasil draw juga kita harus syukuri. Sekali lagi saya mengucapkan selamat buat tim.
David played last 15 minutes because he had only 2 trainings. If you don't train properly with the team, you cannot play. It's not PlayStation, physically. Players need to have trainings, need to come back, so today he was ready for 10 to 15 minutes. We need him because the moment when we start to have extra men, we need second striker. I believe that he was inside, he's always dangerous, not only because he's scoring goals, but also he's taking all attention from the opponent, and he's the one you know, all strikers, they have this sense to how to score a goal. He was at the right time, at the right place. So that's the reason I believe that after next match, after break now, that he will have much more minutes than now. But I'm happy even with this game. He came in, he scored goal, which is important. I will tell you why he was emotional. He didn't score a few games, and you know, sometimes on striker this creates lots of pressure. But I believe, you know, how our strikers sometimes you score one and then you cannot stop scoring. So I hope that this will happen with him next match. International break. International break. Yeah, I'm losing 5 or 6 players, but with the rest, now finally I have time to work a little bit, because before. Basically, I was having matches non-stop from the first day when I arrived. We didn't have any breaks, so now I will have at least 2 weeks to work with the team and to change things that I don't like, that I think that we need to do.
Translate dulu atau?
Better give him a translate. His mental is good for me.
Tentunya saya memberikan kesempatan buat David bermain dengan perhitungan. David baru saja sembuh dari cedera, kemudian dia beberapa kali latihan dengan kita secara bertahap, tidak langsung kontinu atau konsisten di setiap latihan. Dia bisa full sampai menyelesaikan program latihan. Dan saya pikir David tentunya bukan hanya bisa mencetak gol. Saya perlu orang yang tentunya dengan jumlah yang timpang, ya. Kita punya 10 pemain di lapangan, sementara mereka punya 9 pemain di lapangan. David bisa menjadi perhatian lebih untuk pemain belakang mereka. Dan David adalah pemain striker yang bisa menempatkan posisi, kemudian bisa menyelesaikan peluangnya. Itu. Dan tambahan untuk nanti komentar David, kita memang tahu bahwa beberapa pertandingan David tidak belum mencetak gol, dan kenapa dia sangat emosional? Tentunya karena dia berhasil menciptakan gol lagi. Dan saya pikir seorang striker suatu hal yang normal ketika misalnya mencetak gol, tentunya harapan kita dia akan continue konsisten untuk itu.
About the game, the scoring, I'm so happy because I have my team. This is the first time that I have to put in mind. Also, my confidence every time is high. It's about my job. I have been doing this for all my season, and I know this is how precious I feel for not for myself, but for everybody. So everybody knows me already 5 years here, and this is, I don't know, I didn't remember the last time I have been 6 days without scoring. So if you know, if someone knows that, I have to tell you, because I didn't have so long time without scoring. So everyone predicted this, everyone's waiting for this time for every match. So I know the press, I know this is not feeling good, and doesn't get me without control. So I'm so happy to have my team and grow. So the emotional, because end of the game we want everybody watching this game and how present this is the game. So I'm so happy, as I think they celebrate us. Every people to celebrate in this moment. So this is for them too.
Ya, tentunya kenapa saya diberikan kesempatan untuk bermain? Karena saya ingin membantu tim. Itu yang pertama. Kemudian yang kedua, kenapa saya sangat emosional? Bukan karena saya baru bisa mencetak gol. Saya tidak pernah menghitung terakhir kapan saya mencetak gol. Tetapi di setiap penampilan tentunya saya ingin menunjukkan kepercayaan diri saya, performa saya untuk membantu tim ini supaya bisa mencapai hasil yang maksimal. Dan satu lagi, bahwa kalaupun misalnya saya bisa mencetak gol kemudian saya melakukan selebrasi, itu sesuatu hal yang saya pikir wajar ketika kita punya kesempatan peluang di menit-menit terakhir, kemudian saya bisa menciptakan gol dan saya merayakannya seperti umumnya. Misalnya ketika kita melihat pertandingan ini, derby yang sangat bagus, banyak dilihat oleh penonton, tentunya perasaan itu akhirnya keluar. Dan saya sangat senang bisa membantu tim, juga senang bisa memberikan sesuatu yang membuat Bobotoh juga jadi senang.
And for this yellow card, you need to pay fine because he wasted time that we can score goal. It's okay, but I'm sure he will pay this with a pleasure.
Oke, mohon maaf kedepannya ada.
Good afternoon, Coach. I'm Diego from CNN Indonesia TV.
Pertandingan hari ini, pertanyaan sama kepada Andri.
Yeah, the feeling in the locker room is like that we lose the football game. The guys, they are very disappointed because I think from the tactical side and also from motivation, from everything, I think every player today he gave everything. We scored a goal in the first half. Yeah, maybe we could play sometimes a little bit better out because we have a lot of times a 4-2 situation in the midfield and we missed sometimes the right decision, but of course it's a derby, there's a lot of pressure and we have also young guys on the pitch, but defensively I was very, very happy because this was one dangerous situation in the first half, but the rest we defend well. Sometimes, the luck is not on our side. Also. It's not so lucky. We never receive a penalty. We get a red card again. I mean, in the game before against Arema, we get the yellow and red card for Feza for the second foul. And we didn't finish the game with 11 players. I think when we played together and we finished the game with 11 players, we would be the winner today with 3 points. And it's like this for me. It was not a red card because both of them they were catching and this is not enough. You know, when you go away and with the knee a little bit, it's not a really kick. I mean, I kick with the shoe, but not with the knee. It's not, for me, it's not a half foul. We can give a yellow card in this situation, but this is like this at the moment. I mean, our young player, after 3 minutes, received the yellow card. He touched the ball with the player, and he gave him, after 3 minutes in the derby, a yellow card. I mean, sometimes you need a feeling also how important is a football game, and not because you have an idea now in your head. So this is the situation at the moment. Our supporters, they are also not so happy with the position. 5 games in a row we couldn't win, but everybody could see that we were fighting also until the end, until the last moment. And it's like this, you know, derby can finish sometimes 1-1, but this was not necessary. Thank you.
Selamat sore. Jadi Mas bilang bahwa suasana di locker room seperti kita mempunyai kekalahan dan semuanya merasa kecewa. Tapi menurut Mas dari segi taktikal, dari segi motivasi, semuanya sudah diberikan semuanya oleh dari semua pemain di Persija, dan kita pun memang mendapatkan gol di babak pertama, dan sebenarnya menurut Mas kita pun masih bisa bermain lebih baik dari itu, walaupun akhirnya kita melakukan sedikit kesalahan keputusan. Dan tentu saja di laga derby ini semua dapat pressure sehingga kehilangan konsentrasi, dan kita pun dapat serangan yang cukup berbahaya dari Persib. Tapi Coach Thomas masih senang dengan bagaimana timnya bertahan, dan ini masalah ketidakberuntungan karena kita dalam 2 pertandingan kandang kita melakukan kartu merah, di mana sebelumnya kita melawan Arema, Firza melakukan kartu kuning 2 kali, dan sekarang kita melakukan dan kartu merah lagi. Jadi kita selalu selalu menyelesaikan pertandingan dengan 10 pemain saja. Sebenarnya dari kedua pertandingan itu, jika kita bisa mencetak dengan 11 pemain, Kosomas yakin kita bisa menangkan pertandingan. Dan menurut Kosomas itu tadi Habib tidak bukan kartu merah karena memang sedikit bergulat, tapi setelah bangun itu hanya kena lutut saja, bukan menendang dengan secara sengaja. Dan di sisi lain ada pemain lain juga melakukan tutup-tutupi, jadi Kosomas tidak menggunakan hal itu. Dan Kosomas yakin bahwa supporter tidak senang karena pertandingan kita tidak pernah menang. Dan tapi kita lihat dulu dari sisi dimana kita selalu berjuang dengan kemenangan itu. Tapi Kosomas kadang lagi duit tidak selalu kaya dengan kemenangan atau kekalahan. Sponsor itu
tentu hasilnya sudah sampai di pertandingan tanpa kemenangan, tim konsisten bagus. Pasang pemain sekarang itu Mas katakan bahwa masih muda tapi pasang kalah. Ini yang sangat semua pemain kecewa, sport juga kecewa pastinya. Memang kotor ini menginginkan 3 poin, pemain juga menginginkan 3 poin, tapi hasil sore hari ini tidak berpihak pada kita. Pemain semua sudah berjuang, tapi hasil tidak kita menang. Terima kasih. I spoke also with a lot of people around of me. So in the last game we had a lot of situations also. We never received the penalty. And I don't know, my feeling is that somebody has something against Pesija privately. I don't know why, but when I see other games, how easy some teams they receive penalty, and when I see our situations a lot of times, very strange situation. And in the last game, we had a situation when Hanan was going in the box and he get a kick and he didn't receive the penalty. I mean, this made me tired also because I don't know, something happened here, and this is not correct. This is not correct against us, against my player, against my club. And they have to change something because this cannot happen. This is now the whole season is running like this. But we had this today in our own hand, and we didn't finish the game. So I'm the last on the world. I give I don't know, the responsibility to referees or something like this. This is too easy. And but they can do this better. Yeah? And this is my opinion. Somebody can have another opinion, but everybody could see this also in the last games.
Mas bilang bahwa dia sudah banyak berbicara dengan orang sekitarnya, kita jarang tapi karena dibandingkan dengan tim lain, sepertinya tim Persija sudah melakukan hal itu, situasinya sangat tidak bagus menurut Kosomas. Seperti contohnya pada laga terakhir, Hanan mendapat tendangan di kotak penalti, tapi dia tidak dapat penalti. Jadi ini sebenarnya karena tidak betul menurut Kosomas untuk pemainnya sendiri, untuk klubnya sendiri. Jadi ini harus berubah karena liga pun masih panjang. Tapi untuk hasil hari ini kita menentukan, ini adalah keputusan kita sendiri. Saya Kosomas tidak mau menyalahkan keputusan wasit dan Kosomas berharap, tapi tetap berharap mungkin kinerjanya ke depan masih lebih.
We have a rest until Friday. Friday afternoon is the next training. And the second question? Yeah, of course. Yeah, they can go now after the game. There's no game, and of course they can go. There's no problem.
Yang kedua itu karena kita pergi karena kita udah ada pertandingan sampai tanggal 17, dan untuk pertandingan pertama kita istirahat sampai nanti Jumat kita akan di sore hari.
Pertanyaan terakhir.
dari jam online.
From who? Second half.
No, the first half, there's one dangerous chance, and then the second half, they seem to gain momentum to attack the Persija defense. What do you think about that? What happened?
I couldn't see chances for Persija. We defend well, so we didn't have problems also. Also when we had the changes in the game. The problem is when you play 20 minutes with 10. It's of course you run from one side to the other side, it's 38 degrees. And that's why we are disappointed, because when we play with 11, nothing happened. In the right moment, maybe you score the second goal and you finish the game. Because Bandung, they had to open also a little bit more. That means it's more space also for us. And I think we had no dangerous situations in the second half. We didn't defend well when the goal came, so we could handle the situation a little bit better maybe. It was very clever from Silva also, he brought himself in a better position. But for the rest, I mean, we can be happy with the defending work today. You could keep it a little bit longer the ball, sure, also, but the player, they were very tired, you know, when you play with 10, it's also not so easy. And the baby is very long to the goal. We have to finish with 11 players the game, so we don't want to speak more about this kind of things.
Sebenarnya untuk kalau kita bertahan dengan sangat baik, walaupun mereka pun akhirnya mengganti beberapa pemain untuk menyerang, tapi memang 25 menit kita bertahan dengan 10 orang ya kita susah juga, karena jika kita bermain dengan 11 pemain kita pasti bakal ada masalah, kita pun bisa mencetak gol kedua. Dan menurut Kosovo tidak ada situasi berbahaya dari Persib. Kita pun kecolongan gol, kita sebenarnya sedang bertahan dengan baik, tapi memang dari David da Silva posisi sangat baik untuk bisa mencetak gol itu. Dan menurut Kosovo kita cukup kecapean dengan bertahan 10 orang, harusnya kita bisa menahan bola lebih lama lagi. Dan seperti yang kata Kosovo tadi bilang, kita harus menyelesaikan pertandingan harus dengan 11 pemain.